Hey there, Nova Scotians. This is your friendly neighborhood news source, Distracted News, here to spill the tea, or should I say, the untreated water, on the latest boil water advisory. So, why are we talking about water today? Well, it turns out that last night, the J.D. Klein water treatment facility had a bit of a hiccup. An internal power failure caused some untreated water to sneak its way into the clean water supply. Ew! This means that the water coming out of your taps might not be as safe as you think. Now, before you panic and start hoarding bottled water like it's the apocalypse, let's break this down. There's no need to rush to the stores just yet. According to Halifax Water, a whopping 1/5 of people in Nova Scotia are affected by this advisory. That's a significant number of households. That's a lot of folks boiling water and pretending to be gourmet chefs. But hey, it's better to be safe than sorry, right? First things first, can you wash your dishes? This is a common concern for many. If you've got a dishwasher, you're in luck. Most modern dishwashers have a sanitizing cycle that can handle this situation. Just make sure the internal temperature reaches at least 160 degrees, or, even better, use the sanitizing cycle. This will ensure that any harmful bacteria are killed. For those of us without dishwashing robots, here's what you do. Wash and rinse your dishes with hot water like usual. It's a bit more work, but it's manageable. Then, in a separate bin, add 1 teaspoon of bleach for every gallon of warm water. This might sound a bit intense, but it's necessary to ensure your dishes are safe. Let your rinsed dishes soak in this bleachy bath for a minute, and voila, safe, sanitized dishes. But what about laundry? Many people are worried about their clothes. Good news! Laundry is not impacted by the boil water advisory. You can continue washing your clothes as usual without any concerns. So keep on washing those clothes, folks. Your laundry routine doesn't need to change. Now, it's not just about dishes and laundry. There are other daily activities that are affected. Remember, for drinking, cooking, making ice, or brushing your teeth, you need to boil your water first. This is crucial to avoid any health risks. And no, you can't just set it on fire and call it a day. Boil it for at least a minute to kill any nasty bugs lurking in there. This is the safest way to ensure your water is clean. Boiling water might seem like a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for safety. Make sure you let it cool before using it for any purpose. So, what's the takeaway here? Aside from the obvious don't drink untreated water, it's all about staying informed and being cautious. Check out the map in the link below for impacted areas to see if you're in the affected zone. This will help you understand if you need to take these precautions. And if you are, follow the guidelines to keep yourself and your family safe. It's better to be overly cautious than to risk your health. Make sure to follow all the recommended guidelines during this advisory period. This includes boiling water and using bleach for sanitizing. All right, Nova Scotians, that's the scoop on your water woes. It's a bit of a hassle, but it's manageable with the right precautions. Remember to boil, bleach, and be awesome. These steps will help you stay safe until the advisory is lifted. This has been Distracted News, keeping you informed, one distraction at a time. We're here to help you navigate these tricky situations. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing you important updates. Stay safe out there, and happy boiling.